What's up, guys? Y'all want to see a freezing cold start? Everybody talking shit about Chevrolet, about Ford and stuff like that, and then Chevrolet's the best. She hadn't been started in a week, guy. Well, baby, 2 weeks. She is covered in snow. And yeah, yeah, she's in here. Yeah, she's gonna be fun getting out. So let's see if she'll start. Barely got the damn door open. Okay. Oh, let's turn that off real quick. Oh, I love you so much. You're such a badass truck. Oh, look at that 4.6 per. Oh, baby. I love this truck. So much hard work, and it paid off.